Watching YouTube TV on your computer is one of the easiest ways to access live channels, DVR recordings, and on-demand shows. The entire platform is browser-based, so there's nothing to download and no special setup required. Start by opening your preferred browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari all work smoothly. In the address bar, go to tv.youtube.com. Sign in using the Google account that's linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Once you're logged in, the full interface loads instantly. From here, you'll see three main tabs: Home, Live, and Library. To watch a live channel, click Live to open the channel guide. Every network airing right now will appear in a clean timeline layout. Just click any program to start watching immediately. If you want to access your saved shows or movies, head to Library. This is where all your DVR recordings live. New episodes, sports games, movies, and scheduled recordings. You can sort by most recent, alphabetical, or category for quick navigation. You can also use your computer to cast YouTube TV to your television. Simply click the cast icon in the browser and select your TV or streaming device. YouTube TV on desktop gives you a fast, clean, and powerful streaming experience with full DVR control right from your computer.